Let's make an aquarium on scratch. We are going to make some fishes swimming in the aquarium. The result will be like this. Create a new project at scratch, and name this project Aquarium. Delete the cat sprite. In this video, we will be using fish sprites. Add backdrop. This time, we will use a backdrop with the name Underwater 1. Then, try adding a fish sprite. We're going to make this fish sprite swim left and right. Try to pause this video, and do it yourself. If you are confused, just watch this video again. Well, here's a block that you can use to make fish swim. Don't forget to use this block so that the fish head doesn't upside down when reach the edge. This loop block will make the fish swim left and right. Let's build the code like shown previously. You can make this fish swim slower or faster by changing this number. Try to run your application. To make it more crowded, try making 4 more fish. Make these fish different sizes. You can also change fish costumes, so your aquarium is more colorful. Then, make the fish swim at different speeds. Finally, play a sound called bubble. Pause the video, and try to do it yourself. Because the coding blocks of each fish are similar, you can make 4 fish quickly. Right-click your mouse on the first fish, then select Duplicate. Well, you'll get the same fish sprites, and the same coding blocks too. Drag the new fish to where you want it. Do it 4 times. To change the size of the fish, select one of the fish sprites, then change the size. Bigger or smaller, it's up to you. Then, change the costume of some fish, so your aquarium has more types of fish. To change the swimming speed of the fish, you can change the number in the blue move block. Or, if you want the fish to swim at different speeds each time the green flag is clicked, you can use the green, pick random, block to pick a random number each time the green flag is clicked. Try using the green random block. Drag the green block inside the blue move block. Then change the random number range on green block. This time, we will use random number between 4 and 8, which will be different every time green flag clicked. Repeat these steps for other fish sprites. Try it. Try to click the green flag again, and the fishes will swim with different speed. To play the sound, you can use this block. Add this block only in one of the fish sprites. Try and enjoy your aquarium. At one of the fish, add another, when green flag clicked, block. Add a loop forever block, then play the bubble sound inside that loop. Try run your application. The fishes will swim and there will be a bubble sound playing.